Elusive and rare, the otter civet lives in the swampy wetlands of Southeast Asia. Little is known about this nocturnal mammal. Experts don't even agree on whether it is a skilled swimmer or a slow one. It is hypothesized that it lays in wait underwater like a crocodile to ambush drinking prey.
A brown anole male can sometimes be spotted doing push-ups, often with his yellow-orange dewlap or throat fan on full display. This performance can either be threatening or seductive depending on the context, as he will do this to both scare away rivals and attract females.
During winter months, the ruffed grouse takes shelter below the snow. To exit, it will stick its head out before erupting out of its snow roost, wings flapping loudly. It can beat its wings against the air in a drumming display, creating mini sonic booms that scare rivals and attract mates.
The venom glands of the blue coral snake are exceptionally long, extending to 25% of the length of its 1.8 meter, 5 feet 11 in long body. In these glands is a unique cytotoxin that acts by blocking the victim's sodium channels, almost instantly paralyzing them. It hunts other venomous snakes.
Meet Tetraceratops, the small therapsid from Permian. It has 6 horns, 4 of which are on its head, while other 2 at the end of its lower jaw. It housed a second pair of teeth on the maxillary bones were large and fang-like. Likewise, the first teeth in the upper jaw were long and dagger-like.
Pandas will eat up to 25 bamboo species in the wild, but because of the life cycle of bamboo, they must have at least 2 different species available to get the highest protein levels from the leaves and avoid starvation. Each day, they spend at least 12 hours eating as much as 84 pounds.